During the quiet isolation of the pandemic, I found my freedom on two wheels. Cycling was my escape, the early morning air, and the thrill of speed. But in a single heartbeat, that joy turned into a haunting memory. If there is only one thing in my past I wish I could change, it is the reckless momentum of that one specific dawn. The lights were on. I saw a pedestrian, and he saw me. Yet he still crossed. Because I was going too fast, I couldn't stop in time. The sound of impact and seeing him on the asphalt is a scene I still replay in a slow motion. Psychologists call this upward counterfactual, thinking that if onlys that keep us trapped in the past. According to the World Health Organization, speed is the leading contributor to road fatalities. Even though he luckily suffered only minor injuries, I realized that my speed had turned me into a threat. I wish I could go back, grip my handlebars, and simply menor to slow down. I cannot erase that day, but I have let it change me. I've learned that speed is a privilege that requires absolute responsibility. Today, I don't just ride for the thrill. I ride with the awareness that our choices affect the safety of everyone on the road. I carry that morning with me as a constant reminder to always choose safety over speed.